All right, so travel season, vacation time is almost here, man. I am about to go on an international trip here very shortly. And I was like, you know what? Besides the clothes, we got to pack a bunch of clothes and different stuff like that. I'm gonna need my tech, all right? Yes, I'm gonna need my tech. And I was like, you know what? Let me do one of these videos because I've never actually done one on a channel before. So here's a what's in my tech bag, tech that I'm carrying. I don't know what the title is gonna be. And number two, I don't really have a tech bag. It's just gonna be in my overall bag, all right? But let me go ahead and show you because I sat down and piled and kind of brought everything together, what I'm going to take with me, and let's just go ahead and step through it piece by piece. All right, so the first thing that is going to go with me, which might be surprising to a lot of y'all, man, is actually the iPhone 13 Pro. Now, I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and I bought it because I still like that battery life and I still like that bigger display. But I think I might take my 13 Pro with me because we'll be on the go a lot, and this is just a lot more compact. It's just a little more easier to carry. I mean, we're gonna have some times where I might have some shorts on or some swim trunks on, and I can't get that Pro Max sometimes all up in the pocket, man. So the 13 Pro is gonna make this trip right here in the brand new Alpine Green. Y'all already know. If you didn't see that unboxing, I will be sure to link it above. But yeah, 13 Pro, man, it's gonna easily get me through the day anyway when it comes to battery and keep that same compact size. Honestly, when I'm over there, I don't really need all the big screen because I'm not going to be interacting a lot on social media, so I don't really care for it. I just need something that's going to work, reliable, in my pocket, give me everything that I need to give me when it comes time to, and that's going to be the iPhone 13 Pro. All right, now, you already know we got to talk about cases, all right, because I just don't carry one case. I carry two cases with me. That's what a true case head does when he travels, man. And the number one case that I'm taking with me, of course, is going to be the number one case out there right now that's on my top 15 case list, and that's going to be the Pitaka MagEZ Pro, all right? I'm just bringing this because this is my everyday case. I love this case. It's protective enough for me, keeping things very thin, and also just gives me all the protection I need without bulking up my pockets or anything like that. So Pitaka MagEZ Pro case will be the case of choice that is going with me. All right, now just like I told y'all, I take two cases. I gotta have a backup case in case I drop one, all right? I mean, look, technically, I do the cases, and if I drop a case, I can't be seen out there in the international waters with a beaten, banged up case, all right? Kind of petty, but that's just something I go by. Doesn't matter where I go, your boy always has an extra case with him, man. And the second case to go with me is going to be the Phone Rebel Gen 3 case. This is basically number one and number two when it comes to my top cases. Just the protection is there all the way around. I'm not really carrying any thin protection on this because, like I said, man, look, might be a little drinking, we might be doing all types of stuff like that, so we might need to just be protective, all right? So, yeah, this is going to be it, man. The MagEZ from Pitaka, and then the Phone Rebel Gen 3, that's gonna be my two cases of choice. Now, just like a lunatic who carries two cases, yeah, I also carry some backup screen protectors, all right? And that's the screen protectors that I use on my phone because guess what? You might drop your phone and you might break your screen protector, but then you gotta take that one off and then you naked for the rest of the trip, all right? So the screen protectors that I'm gonna use is gonna be the Spigen Glass TR Easy Fit. This is gonna be the full sensor screen protection right here. It's gonna go all the way up to the sensor. These are just my screen protectors that I use. I'm gonna order a fresh pack and I'm just gonna throw in my bag, keep it moving, doesn't take any space up, but little key things that you should think about when you are talking about traveling. I'm pretty sure like your T. All right, okay, let's go ahead and get into the real tech, the stuff that really matters, the stuff that you clicked on the video for, not cases and screen protectors. Now, when compiling all this together, the first thing that I grabbed when I knew had to come with me to traveling, because that's kind of what it's built for, man, that's gonna be the Mophie 3-in-1 charger kit. All right, now if you didn't see the video review on this one, I'll be sure to link that above. Any videos that I did on any of these products, I'll be sure to link them down below. But this is a pivotal part of my travel essentials, all right? So if you didn't see this, man, this is gonna be a basically 3-in-1 charger that comes with everything you need inside of this packaging, all right? You're gonna get a Type-C to Type-C cable. You're gonna get a power adapter in there as well. And then where it all comes together, you're gonna get a rolled up nicely in one little pack is gonna be the 3-in-1 charger, right? So you don't have any extra cords or anything with you, but I do have a little bit of extra because I have a few other tech accessories that I'm going to be using as well. But this one basically charges everything. Now, I won't be taking my AirPod Pros. I will be taking another pair of audio headphones. We'll get to those in a minute. So one charges the AirPods, this charges your iPhone, and this charges your Apple Watch. I will be having my Apple Watch Series 7 paired with my Nomad Sport Band. That's, of course, is going to go with me. And, of course, my iPhone, in which that's going to charge it as well. So just the easy little kit, perfect little 3-in-1. You can just pack it all in here, put it all together, and then just throw this in your book bag, throw it in your check bag, whatever you got to do, and you got all of your charging essentials right here. And you don't got to worry about carrying your Apple Watch charger. You don't got to worry about carrying another power brick to have it. Keeps everything very nice and simple. I feel like this is easily the best travel kit that's out there if you are always on the go and you have all of the Apple devices, Apple Watch, iPods, AirPods, and the phone. You can't beat this Mophie 3-in-1 charger right here. Must have. Now, another product that I had to grab also, this was not even thought about, was going to be the ESR 10,000 milliamp hour MagSafe battery pack. Now, we're not going to get too deep into this. I did a video review on this one as well, but I need a battery pack that's going to bring the juice just in case that I need it. If I forgot to charge my phone overnight, got the partying too hard and I just forgot, I'm going to need something to get me through if we happen to go out and I forget to charge my phone. This is going to give me a full charge and a half on my 13 Pro. And yes, I've tested it. And yes, it gives me a full charge and a half a charge. So had to bring this. This is going to be a no-brainer, charged with Type-C. So I will have another Type-C cable that you will see here in a second, but got to throw this in the bag when it comes to the MagSafe battery pack. And then just to have a second one, just in case my girlfriend might need one, or just in case, I don't know, maybe somebody else on the trip that I know may need a MagSafe battery pack or need to get some of that charging in. I'm going to bring the Anker, what's it, 622 Go. It's been a minute since I reviewed this one, but I'm going to bring the Anker with me because I really like this charge as well. Gives you a nice capacity. Now, I know some of you are probably like, T, why aren't you bringing the Apple MagSafe charger? That's not really made for this trip per se. I just need straight up battery chargers, all right? So these are going to be my two. This is going to be my powerhouse right here if I need to get that full charge. And this one is going to be for maybe if I need to just top off somewhere or if somebody else has one, AKA just a backup. That's what I got going on right here. So ESR and the Anker. These going in the bag for sure. And also, you know, we got to have some extra cords and some extra charging type accessories, man. And we got to go ahead and bring these two along. Definitely love to have this. This is going to be the Spigen Power Arc ArcStation Pro. This is going to be a 30-watt charger, but as you see, it takes in 2 USB-Cs. So say I wanted to use this paired with that Mophie 3-in-1, and then if I had to charge something else up Type-C, I can just charge this as well. And this right here is going to be a Type-C cable from Otterbox. Let me tell you something. This thing right here is a nice quality Type-C cable. And I literally just grabbed it because it was the first thing that I saw in my charger, my cord box, and it was already still together. So I just grabbed it. But you can kind of replace this with any Type-C cable that you want. But I just kind of wanted to grab it because it was always together. But pairing it with this, just to have an extra brick on you at all times, you really can't go wrong with this 2-in-1 charging brick right here. So just some little essentials that I'm also throwing in the bag. Next up is one that I always have to have when I travel with me. I bought this because I travel a lot, and I don't know about you, but I have to have my Bluetooth speaker, right? Because I like to keep the party going on while we're in the room. We may go to somebody else's room. We may go sit poolside or something like that, and guess what? Nobody has a speaker. Nah, your boy got a speaker, man. This is going to be the UE. I think this is the MegaBoom 3, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me wrong, but I will pop the link down below. I could be wrong, but this thing right here is just so legit. I got to pick up the charger for this as well. I got to make sure I pack that, but this thing gives you that 360 sound all around, nice, heavy. If I'm not mistaken, this thing is waterproof, and this just simply gets it done when it comes to UE. I love their speakers. They always gave you just tremendous quality, and I went and picked this up from Best Buy maybe last year sometime. I probably only used this thing like 2 or 3 times, but this is definitely traveling with me. This will definitely be in the book bag. It ain't gonna be the most portable, but guess what? I got a big book bag that I'm gonna slap this in, so we definitely should be good to go. So UE booms, Bluetooth speaker, gotta have that because we gotta keep the party going. Now the last thing that I got that I recently went out and bought was a product that I've been wanting for a very long time, but I just didn't happen to go out there and grab it, man. This has got to be the AirPod Maxes, all right? I just picked these up this weekend, and oh my goodness, y'all said it, a lot of people said it, yo, T, you should have had these a long time ago. And you are absolutely right. I love these things. I have been walking around the house with these bad boys on. These are definitely for sure making the trip. Before anything else, these are making the trip because we got a long flight. We talking about 8-9 hour flight, man. And then we got 2 other flights before that. So we got to go ahead and bring something that's going to make it. And these right here, man, just with the noise cancellation, being on a plane, flying overnight, we're going to need something that's going to last, put those ambient sounds in my ear and put me to sleep. And this is what we're rocking with, man. We got to go rock with the Maxes. And I did go out there and pick up a case for it. Now, Spigen didn't send this to me. You know, Spigen always looks out, but I went and bought this right here. And this is going to be their their hard case when it comes to the MagEZ, man. I just wanted to get something that I can just easily strap onto my bag. It puts the cases to sleep when I need it to. Very nice bag. Inside here, I just put the Type-C to lightning so I can charge it at the end of the night. But this just a nice little hard case right here because you know you got to go out there and buy your own hard case. So this is what I chose with me to go on the trip. And yeah, can't wait to get these on the plane and use these bad boys. I also have some Spigen Urban Fit ear covers that's coming. I might do a review on that a little bit later on. So that's going to be something else that I am bringing with me. But that's going to be it, man. That's just basically going to be all of my travel essentials. You already know everything that I talked about in this video will be down below. But yeah, do all the YouTube things, man. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn that bell on so you don't miss out on any future videos on the channel. But until next time, everyone please be safe. Catch you on the next one. Later.